There's a strange shift that happens in a woman's mind the moment you stop trying to stay inside it. Not when you text her more, not when you explain yourself again, not when you prove you care. It happens when you relax, when you stop chasing the idea of being remembered, and suddenly you are. Most men think being unforgettable means doing more, talking more, showing more, being more available. They believe if they stay visible enough, they'll stay important. But what actually happens is the opposite. The more predictable you become, the quieter her thoughts about you get, because the mind doesn't replay what it already understands. Here's the part no one likes to hear. A woman doesn't think deeply about what feels settled. She thinks about what feels unfinished, and that's where everything changes. You see, the female mind isn't wired to chase comfort the way men assume. It's wired to chase meaning. When something feels too clear, too explained, too emotionally open, her nervous system relaxes, and when it relaxes fully, desire slowly turns off. Curiosity fades, the emotional pull weakens. That doesn't mean she dislikes you. It means there's nothing left for her mind to explore. The men who stay in her thoughts are never the loudest ones. They're the ones who leave a quiet imprint, the ones who didn't rush to define everything, the ones who didn't panic in silence, the ones who didn't need constant reassurance to feel okay with themselves. And once you understand this, attraction stops feeling confusing, because this isn't about tricks, it's about inner position. A man who is emotionally steady creates tension without trying, not stress, not drama, but a calm pressure that makes her mind keep circling back. She remembers how you didn't overreact, how you didn't chase clarity, how you stayed centered even when things were uncertain. And uncertainty, when handled with calm, is powerful. Most men misunderstand this and think silence alone is enough. It's not. Silence without strength feels empty. Pulling back without purpose just makes you forgettable. And pretending not to care while secretly hoping she reacts only weakens your presence. What makes her think about you is not absence, it's grounded presence. When you're emotionally whole, you don't try to occupy space in her life. You naturally occupy space in her mind. She remembers how steady you were, how your energy didn't shift with her moods, how you didn't rush to fill gaps just to feel close, and that contrast hits her nervous system harder than attention ever could. While she feels emotional noise, questions, doubts, waves of feeling, you remain calm. And the human brain is drawn to what feels stable but not controllable. That's when the loop starts. Why didn't he react like others? Why does his silence feel different? Why do I still feel him even when he's not here? That's when you stop being just a man she knows. You become a presence she carries. This is where real attraction begins. A woman doesn't obsess because a man gives her everything. She obsesses because something about him feels unresolved, not confusing, not distant, just not fully accessible yet. And the mind hates leaving things unfinished. Think about it. The conversations that stay in your head the longest aren't the ones that ended cleanly. They're the ones that paused, the ones where something was left unsaid. That's how the mind works. When you explain everything, define everything, and emotionally expose everything too fast, there's no tension left, no mystery, no depth to explore. But when you pace emotional access, her imagination steps in, and imagination is stronger than logic. She starts replaying moments, reading into small things, wondering what you were thinking when you stayed calm instead of reacting. Her mind fills the quiet with meaning. That's why men who rush to be understood are forgotten quickly, and men who allow themselves to be discovered slowly linger. But here's the difference most men miss. There's a line between being emotionally unavailable and being emotionally unrushed. One creates insecurity, the other creates depth. One pushes her away, the other pulls her in without effort. An emotionally unrushed man is present. He listens, he cares, but he doesn't lean forward emotionally every second. He doesn't panic when energy shifts. He doesn't need immediate clarity to feel grounded. That calm response sends a message her subconscious hears clearly. It says your sense of self isn't tied to her reactions. It says you're not asking permission to feel confident. And it says there's more to you than what's visible right now. That feels like value. And value always feels protected. This is where men get it wrong and break everything. They pull back on the outside, but stay attached on the inside. They stop texting, but keep checking their phone. They give space, but secretly wait to be chosen. That's silent attachment, and women sense it instantly. Silence driven by expectation feels anxious. Silence driven by fear feels heavy. Silence driven by control feels pressured. Her nervous system picks it up, even if she can't explain why. True calm doesn't wait for a response. It doesn't hope. It doesn't test. It exists because your life stays full whether she reacts or not. When your silence is clean, it feels grounded. There's no emotional hook in it, no hidden demand. You're not reaching for her energy. You're settled in your own. And that's when her mind starts working overtime. She can't feel you chasing. She can't feel an agenda. She can't predict what you'll do next. All she feels is that you stopped orbiting her, and that absence doesn't feel needy. It feels complete. That creates a quiet discomfort. Not the kind that pushes her away, the kind that makes her reflect, the kind that makes her question why your calm feels heavier than other men's attention. Most men ruin this moment. They break the space too early. They send a message just to ease tension. They explain themselves to feel relief. And the moment collapses. Emotional control means letting uncertainty exist without rushing to fix it, for her or for yourself. And here's the part men fear. Staying calm doesn't make you cold. Calm isn't shutting down. Calm is control. You still feel, you just don't react impulsively. A woman can feel the difference. Warmth without neediness, attention without pressure, presence without predictability. That balance keeps her mind engaged long after the moment passes. When your emotions are paced, attraction doesn't spike and crash. It builds quietly. She doesn't feel overwhelmed or bored. She feels steady curiosity. And that's why even when other men enter her life, you don't disappear. Women don't reset emotionally. They compare. Other men might talk more, text more, try harder, but because they're emotionally open and easy to read, they fade quickly. They fill space, but they don't create weight. You created weight through restraint. She remembers how your attention felt intentional, how your silence felt solid, how being around you felt calm instead of chaotic. And when she experiences emotional eagerness from others, the contrast becomes clear. Her mind goes back to you without trying. Not because she misses you on purpose, but because her nervous system remembers how you made her feel. And calm embeds deeply. That's why competing is pointless. The moment you try to stay relevant, you lower yourself in her inner scale. But when you stay focused on your own direction, you become hard to replace. She doesn't think of you because you demanded space. She thinks of you because you earned it. The danger is letting this turn into ego. Calm isn't superiority, it's discipline. You're not trying to control her, you're controlling yourself. You speak when it matters, you step back when it doesn't, and you never abandon yourself to keep attention. That's what keeps your presence real. She thinks of you because you didn't bend, because you stayed centered, because you didn't perform detachment, you lived it. And that's the truth most men miss. The secret was never making her think about you, it was mastering yourself so you didn't need to. When you stop chasing reactions, attention comes naturally. When you stop explaining yourself, depth speaks. When you stop measuring worth through validation, your presence becomes undeniable. A grounded man doesn't compete for space in a woman's mind. He creates gravity, and gravity doesn't chase, it pulls. If this hits something in you, understand this. Real change doesn't happen from watching alone. It happens through discipline, reflection, and daily inner work. That's why the community exists. A private space for men who want emotional control, clarity, and real presence. One decision, lifetime access, no noise. Stay calm, stay grounded, and let your presence do the work.